You might think Huel's massive success comes down to branding alone, but the truth is their incredible growth is fueled by some seriously smart conversion rate optimization tactics. And today we are diving deep into exactly what those are. I'm going to break down 5 things they are doing to maximize how much they profit from their store, with the fifth one being the most impactful, so you can apply these tactics to your store to increase the conversion rate and how much you profit from it. So the first tactic that they are using in order to maximize their conversion rate is how they are decreasing the perceived cost for the new visitor that is coming to their product page. So what do I actually mean by that? When you come over to their product page and you see the price of $47, but then you come up here and you see that the price per meal is just $2.21. This is called price framing, in which you're showing the customer that instead of what would it cost in total, how much will cost per day or per meal. So in this way, the cost feels a lot lower for a new visitor, and this product will feel a lot more affordable for them. So the next tactic that they are using to increase their conversion rate is how they are utilizing cross sales in their cart rows. So if you come here to their product page and let's say we add this one product to the cart, come down here and we select one time option. Okay, so as you can see, they are clearly showing you how much you need to spend in order to get free shipping. So it says we need to spend $65 more to get free shipping, which normally costs $10. Okay, so let's say we add this product to the cart, and as you can see, first of all, they are showing you how much you are away to get free shipping. So it says we are just $18 away to get free shipping, and we can also see this very cool visual threshold that clearly shows the first time visitor how much they need to spend more to get free shipping. So as you can see, the first threshold at $65 is free shipping, and if a customer goes to spend more, they can get 10% off at $120. So how do we actually achieve this? So no one would want to close this out and then go back and add to cart. Instead, they are making this a lot easy. So they are saying here in the cart that you need to try out this Huel range, and as you can see, you can simply just click on this add to cart button and we can easily match this threshold. So if we click add to cart, as you can see, we have qualified for free shipping once we have added that product to the cart, which costed $18.33. So now we have free shipping, and now it is showing us the next threshold, which is 10% discount. So this makes it a lot easier for a customer to add the products to their cart and to see what other product range they have, so they can easily just add this product to the cart, and this will help them increase their average order value a lot. Alright, so the next thing to take note of on their store is how well optimized their home pages. So you might have seen a lot of stores that have a very poor homepage, and the reason for that is that they think that the traffic is being sent from the ad directly to the product page or the collection page, and people are not going to visit the homepage. But that is not actually true. A lot of people do actually visit your homepage. If we talk about the homepage of Huel, you can see that the first thing in their banner is on the right side. They clearly have their product image. Okay, and in terms of the text, you can see the first thing here is the social proof. So they are showing that they have 4 million plus happy customers, which is a huge number. Okay, they are showing the main headline, which is the fast, nutritious, complete food, okay, which is the unique selling point of their product. And then they have a call to action button over here, so the customer does not have to think what do I do next. Okay, and if he is a little bit confused, he or she is a little bit confused about what product to buy, they can simply take a quiz. The next thing to note is that you can clearly see all of the collections over here. So this banner image is not that huge that it occupies the whole space above the fold. When you come over here, you can clearly see that there is some stuff down here, so I need to scroll. You can clearly see all of these products over here. The next thing you can clearly see is some reviews from big names like Men's Health, Wired, Vox, which helps to boost in credibility a lot. So the next thing about Huel is that how they are utilizing bundles to increase their average order value. So if you come over here and click on view products, you can see everything that the customer is getting. So the thing about bundles is that the customer feels that they are getting more and more from the price that they are paying, and they are even going to get some free stuff. So if you come down here, you can see that they are getting a free t-shirt, a free shaker, bottle, and a cup. So the price that they're paying will feel a lot more worth it, and this is just the best deal for them and also for the brand itself, because this is making their ads more and more profitable. It is making the customers spend more money with them and hence increasing their profitability. Now the fifth and last thing that Huel is using to not only increase their conversion but also their retention rate is having a very well optimized subscription box. Now, subscription is increasingly becoming more and more popular in the D2C space. The reason for that is because it gets your customer to buy more and more again and again from you. The thing is that just placing the subscription box and calling it a day is not enough. Okay, we want to make sure that it is actually very well optimized and it does actually make the customer want to subscribe to it in the first place. So if we come over here to their product page, you can clearly see that the subscribe and save option is pre-selected when you load the page. Okay, so that is the thing. And the next thing is that you have to give some sort of benefit to the customer to actually subscribe. So the first benefit we see right away is a lower price. Okay, so it's a 20% lower price than compared to the $47 price of one time. Okay, and here they say that this is the lowest price option. Okay, so the customer will immediately know that oh, there is no other cheaper option, so they will not spend their time to finding something cheaper. They will know that on the store that this is the lowest price option. Okay, so this it will not get any lower than this. Okay, a lot of people have this doubt in mind that, oh, can I cancel my subscription or can I do it? And it should be fairly obvious that yes, you can cancel, but you have to communicate over here. So they have clearly written that you can cancel it quickly anytime, and the main keyword here is quickly. Okay, so a lot of people also think that if I can cancel it, then I will have to go through some long forms or question answers. So that is not the case here. They have clearly stated that you can quickly cancel anytime you want, and you can also easily swap and skip deliveries. So this makes this option of subscribe and save a lot more enticing for the first time visitor. Not only are they saving money, okay, but they can also cancel it anytime, and they are not actually bound to buy every single week or every month. And also you might have seen that they are offering these two products for free. Okay, so you will get a t-shirt that normally costs $25. Okay, and you will get it for free, and also this Huel shaker and scoops, you will get it for free if you subscribe and save. So this helps them increase their retention rate and in the long term be a lot more profitable with their ads. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please subscribe to my channel and also like this video, and stay tuned for any future updates. Thank you very much and have a great day.